Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair has remained as is in the last session. The ADX has skyrocketed into positive territory. Bitcoin has added 5.8% in the last 3 sessions. The ultimate oscillator has gradually diminished into the positive area. The price of gold has added 2.3% in the last 3 sessions. The ADX has plunged into the negative area. The price of crude oil has gained 3.3% in the last session. The RSI transitioned into the positive area.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
World stocks rose to their highest in just over a week after a report on U.S. consumer prices calmed investor nerves about inflation and lifted the Dow Jones Industrial Average to a record close. The new CoinShares stock surged 33% on its first day of trading on Nasdaq's Swedish exchange, reflecting investor excitement for digital assets. The dollar index fell to its lowest in a week, and there was a mild risk on tone in currency markets after U.S. CPI data calmed inflation fears, while attention turned to the European Central Bank's policy meeting.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The U.S. Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1500 GMT, the UK's Gross Domestic Product at 700 GMT, the U.S. Producer Price Index at 1330 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production will be released at 1000 GMT, Germany's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices at 700 GMT, Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.